The launch of NASA's Voyager probes was like the start of an amazing trip into outer space. It showed that we can keep an eye on not just Earth, but also everything in our solar system and beyond. Even after 46 years, these awesome spacecraft are still giving scientists new and stunning information about space. Although their memory is 3 million times smaller than that of our smartphones, and they're 38,000 times slower than our fastest 5G internet connection, these incredible probes still lead the way in exploring space. Now Voyager 1 has just made an impossible discovery in interstellar space, one that challenges everything we thought we knew about the universe. It found something so unusual that scientists are left scratching their heads. But what exactly did it find? And how does it redefine our understanding of the cosmos? Let's find out. On a special day, September 5, 1977, from a place called Cape Canaveral in Florida, something amazing happened. Voyager 1 began its journey into space, launched by a powerful rocket called Titan Centaur. Just 15 days later, on August 20, 1977, Voyager 2 joined in, starting its adventure into the universe. Their main job was to check out the big gas planets in our solar system, like Jupiter and Saturn, and the moons around them. But guess what? These space travelers went above and beyond. They went way out into our cosmic neighborhood, breaking lots of records on their astonishing long trip. They've been going longer than any other spacecraft ever, and they've gone farther from Earth than anything humans have made before. They even went into a place called interstellar space, which is like going into a whole new part of our galaxy that no one explored before. These space pioneers, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, are more than 12 billion miles away from us now. Still, they continue to surprise scientists with the amazing things they're finding out there, and they've recently found something so unexpected that no one saw it coming. The Voyager twin probes have done some awesome stuff. More than 40 years ago, they looked at the moons of Jupiter and Saturn and totally surprised scientists. People used to think these moons were boring and full of holes like our moon, but nope, they're buzzing with activity. Voyager 2 was the first of the twins to swing by Uranus in 1986, and just 3 years later, it zoomed past Neptune. But here's what's interesting. It's the only spacecraft that has ever done that. As these spacecraft continue on their amazing journey, NASA is doing some tricks to make sure they keep working. They turned off some things they didn't need, like extra parts and heaters, to save power. That way, these spacecraft can keep going strong until at least 2030. For the scientists and engineers who've been part of this incredible adventure from the start, it's a mix of happy and sad feelings. They worked hard, and now, when they thought the Voyager missions were almost done, a shocking discovery emerged from outer space. The information sent back by Voyager 1 and its twin spacecraft has become a treasure trove for scientists. They sparked tons of discoveries and got people excited about space. These are two spacecraft that were built extra carefully, kind of like stable platforms, so they could take clear pictures and gather data while zooming through space. Even before they reached the outer planets, their pictures were already blowing scientists' minds. Voyager 1 started sending pictures of Jupiter even though it was still far away from the planet. People at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory got excited when they saw the first pictures of Jupiter's swirling clouds and the famous Great Red Spot. But the big moment came when the Voyagers found something amazing on Jupiter's moon Io. This moon, a bit bigger than Earth's moon, turned out to be the most active volcano in our whole solar system. Voyager 1's tools picked up weird signals from Io, and the pictures they took showed huge volcanic eruptions and stuff flying out into space. One of Io's volcanoes, called Pele, erupted tremendously high, even more than Mount Everest, and covered an area almost as big as France. The Voyagers combined took more than 33,000 pictures of Jupiter and its moons. They showed how stunning Jupiter is, and all the different landscapes on its moons. Before this recent and more shocking discovery, these twin spacecraft had been finding awesome things since they started their trip. Another big surprise was finding out Jupiter has rings, although they're not very bright. This discovery made Jupiter even more interesting. Also, Voyager 2 discovered that Europa, one of Jupiter's 53 moons, has a thick icy shell more than 60 miles thick. These discoveries made scientists rethink what they thought about these faraway things in space, and got them curious about whether icy moons, like Europa, could be places where life could exist. As the Voyagers left Jupiter, they got a boost from the planet's gravity that acted like a powerful kick, sending them towards Saturn. This kick was exceptionally important because it helped them break free from the sun's pull and keep going into space. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 went their separate ways after that, heading to new places. Voyager 1 got close to Saturn's moon Titan, which has a kind of orange hazy air around it. Scientists got curious about Titan's mysteries, so they studied its complicated chemistry. Then Voyager 1 turned away from the other planets and started going beyond our solar system. On the other hand, Voyager 2 had some amazing adventures too. In 1986, it flew by Uranus and found 10 new moons, adding to the total count. 3 years later, it reached Neptune, showing us the amazing things about this faraway ice giant. Voyager 2 even measured winds on Neptune going as fast as 1,000 miles per hour, the fastest ever on a planet in our solar system. When the spacecraft got close to Neptune, just 2,980 miles away, it gave us new and incredible details about this distant world. Neptune's biggest moon, Triton, turned out to be one of the coldest spots in our solar system, with temperatures dropping to a freezing -391 degrees Fahrenheit. Triton also had these cool ice volcanoes that shot out nitrogen gas and icy stuff into its thin air. All these discoveries made us realize how different and interesting the planets and moons in our solar system can be, even the farthest ones. Imagine a space adventure story, and one person who made a big difference in keeping it going was the famous stargazer Carl Sagan. He was part of the team that took pictures for the Voyager mission, and he wanted to snap one last set of pictures before turning off the cameras. These pictures would be like a special gift for everyone on Earth, a final look at our home from way out in space. Sagan didn't give up on his idea, even when many people thought it wouldn't work. So, on Valentine's Day in 1990, Voyager 1 took its last pictures from more than 4 billion miles away. It turned back to take one last look at home. What it saw was our Earth, a tiny dot hanging in a sunbeam, a reminder of our place in the universe and how precious our planet is. Now, back to Voyager 1's big discovery. After all this time, Voyager 1 is now officially in interstellar space. What does that mean? It's left the bubble around our solar system, called the heliosphere, and entered a new zone where stuff from other stars can mix with stuff from our sun. The data from Voyager 1 helped scientists figure out the edge of our solar system and understand what's out there. But the big surprise was what Voyager 1 didn't find. Scientists expected Voyager 1 to find a kind of barrier at the edge of our solar system, but there wasn't one. Instead, Voyager 1 found stuff from other stars coming into our solar system. This discovery changed how scientists think about our solar system's edge and what's beyond it. Now, Voyager 1 is still going strong, exploring this new place and sending back new information. Who knows what other surprises it might find on its amazing journey through interstellar space. In the end, the Voyager mission showed us how awesome and amazing our solar system is. Even though these spacecraft were built with 1970s technology and are super far away now, they're still making discoveries and giving us new and exciting information about space. They remind us that even though we're just a tiny speck in a big universe, we can still learn and explore and be amazed at what's out there. So, here's to Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, the little spacecraft that could and still can. They continue to send back invaluable data that enhances our understanding of the cosmos, making us appreciate the vastness and complexity of the universe we inhabit. As the years go by, the legacy of the Voyager missions grows even stronger. They have become symbols of human curiosity and perseverance, showing us that with determination and ingenuity, we can reach beyond our own world and touch the stars. These spacecraft carry with them golden records, containing sounds and images from Earth, a message in a bottle intended for any intelligent life that might find them. This act of reaching out speaks to our desire to connect and communicate, to share our story with the universe. Every discovery made by Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 serves as a testament to the power of exploration. From the active volcanoes on Io to the icy crust of Europa, from the rings of Jupiter to the winds of Neptune, the Voyagers have unveiled wonders we could only dream of. They have shown us that even the farthest reaches of our solar system hold secrets waiting to be discovered, that even the smallest spacecraft can achieve the most extraordinary feats. Looking ahead, the journey of the Voyager probes is far from over. As they travel further into interstellar space, they will continue to send back data, each transmission a postcard from the edge of the unknown. These updates will keep us connected to their journey, reminding us of the boundless possibilities that lie beyond our own planet. The Voyager's mission might have started as a quest to explore the outer planets, but it has evolved into something much greater, a journey into the very heart of the cosmos. In celebrating the Voyager missions, we also celebrate the spirit of human exploration. We honor the scientists, engineers, and visionaries who made this mission possible, and we acknowledge the collective effort that continues to drive it forward. The story of Voyager is one of ambition and achievement, a narrative that inspires us to look to the stars and dream of what we might one day discover.